Hello developers, my name is Nagendra from Me After Degree channel. I am very sure that by the end of the section you will get a clarity on what is CRM and why CRM is used to store the data instead of Excel sheet. So let's begin our section. To get success in any business, knowing your customer is very important. Now the question is how you will know about the customer. By maintaining the customer's data like customer name, contact details and buying habits. Now let's try to answer what is CRM. Customer Relationship Management. CRM is a system which aims at improving the relationship with existing customers, finding new prospective customers, and winning back former customers. The system can be brought into effect with software which helps in collecting, organizing, and managing the customer information. A CRM system helps companies to stay connected to customers, streamline process, and improve profitability. Hope you had a clarity on what is CRM. We can maintain the data in Excel sheet, but why CRM is used to store the data? The reason behind it is number 1, data accuracy is maintained. With mandatory field, important fields are not left blank. With pick list, limit the choices and eliminate the risk of misspelling. With the data validation rule, we can prevent the user from entering the incorrect data. Here in this scenario, min pay must not be greater than max pay. It throws error when incorrect data is entered. With relationship concept like custom lookup prevents user from creating the duplicate records. Workflow formula fields helps to populate the data automatically. When date of birth field is entered, age field and its value is automatically created. Record types and page layouts ensure the user to see the fields and pick list values they need. Number 2. Data security. The sensitive data can be visible and accessed to only defined users. This can be implemented with organization defaults and role hierarchy. Number 3. Reports and dashboards. With the reports and dashboards, view a clear insight and real-time customer actions. Hope you had a clarity on why CRM is to be used. If you have any queries and suggestions, please do mention them in the comment box. Please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribe the channel for future updates. Thank you so much for watching the video.